How to delete TikTok account. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the three line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Move into account at the very top. The option of deactivate or delete account will be visible to you. Head over to it. Tap on delete account permanently. Right here you need to state the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account. You can choose any of the reason from here and then tap on continue. Tap on this checkbox and tap on continue. So right here it says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. And if you don't log into your account during that 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted afterwards. Once you are concerned about it, tap on continue. Enter the password of your TikTok account. Once you have entered the password, tap on delete account and your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your TikTok account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.